Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website on Bluehost. First, navigate to the Bluehost website and select a hosting plan. They offer various options, including shared hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers, starting from just a few dollars per month. Next, you'll choose your domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Make sure it's memorable and relevant. Finally, complete your account setup and payment details to secure your hosting and domain. Once your Bluehost account is active, log into your dashboard. Bluehost makes installing WordPress incredibly easy with its one-click installation feature. Navigate to the My Sites section and click Add Site or Install WordPress. You'll be guided through a few straightforward steps, like choosing your site title and admin credentials. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes, getting your WordPress foundation ready for customization. With WordPress installed, it's time to make your website visually appealing and functional. From your WordPress dashboard, you can choose from thousands of free and premium themes to define your site's look. Explore options like Astra or GeneratePress for versatility. Additionally, install crucial plugins for features like contact forms, search engine optimization, and enhanced security. This step allows you to personalize your site without needing any coding knowledge. Before launching, thoroughly review your website to ensure everything is perfect. Check all pages, links, and images. Once you are satisfied, simply click the Launch button, often found in your WordPress dashboard, to make your site live for the world to see. Remember, website maintenance is ongoing. Regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to ensure optimal performance and security against potential threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.